come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And guys, I'm really sorry about the lighting because it's raining outside, so I can't help it. I'm really sorry. And this is the best location with natural light, so please forgive me for the lighting. Okay, so today I will be doing a music video reaction of Stray Kids. The song is Elevator. I'm really excited. Now this is, I think, their first ever MV. So I am super duper stoked. This song came out in 2017, so without delaying this, we're just going to start because I love Stray Kids. I love both of their songs, God's Menu and Backdoor. So I'm hell excited for Elevator. Yes, okay, let's start. This time the subtitles are on, huh? Oh my god, they look so kiddish! Oh my god, okay. That's Hyunjin, right? Oh, this is a sad song. Elevator, of course. Whoa! It's a very dark song. The way it changes the beat. Oh, I love this rap. Oh yes. The lyrics are amazing. Man, I said rock bottom split. I think this is the member, right? This is the member who left. Who went away from the group, right? Woojin, correct? There's nobody to hold it. Oh, they look such babies. Okay, can I say something? Don't kill me for this taste. But this song, I'm liking it more than God's Menu and Backdoor. Don't kill me! Don't kill me! This is just my opinion, but I'm digging this more. Oh, whoa, when it starts, I'm on a elevator. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm digging this. They look such babies. Hyunjin is shocking me the most. He is looking like... Oh my god. Even Felix? I almost didn't recognize Felix. Look at him. Oh my god. He's unrecognizable. He's Han, right? I'm still placing them. This is Han, correct? Oh, now I'm on an elevator. That beat is amazing. His voice is sounding so normal. Felix, I'm because of those two songs, I'm now so used to his like ultra deep voice. Now I found out that he can really modulate his voice like from very high pitch to very low pitch. That's what I found out while researching about Stray Kids. So here he's sounding so normal. Again. He's sounding so normal. Most of them come out of elevator. See? Oh, I'm loving this song. I had to pause and just applaud this rap. Too good! My god. Again. Guys, again.
I'm on the elevator 난 올라갈게 어두웠던 내 과거 탈출해 내 깜깜했던 앞길을 비춰 미쳐버릴 듯 지겨운 시간 잊혀져버릴 때 이 길을 뛰어 외면하던 새로운 시작의 종소리가 울려 나는 올라탔지 내 손을 작은 펜트하우스로 데려다줄 my elevator
They're out of the hell from elevator. They're looking at the sky. Oh! 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 First, let me stop this. Oh, wow. Like I said, Stays, do not kill me for liking this song more than God's Menu and Backdoor. Because I really dig this one. Oh my, I love this. And this viewer, she told me, I'm assuming it's a she. She told me that I will end up loving this song. So yes, you were right. This is too good. The way the beats changed, and I'm on a elevator. That when the beat dropped, I loved it. I loved everything about the song. The lyrics went so much with the vibe of the music and the sets, where they were dancing, all that dingy places. We see the color palette, it's red because we associate red and black with hell, so it went with that, and then it was completely like grayish. So loved it, absolutely loved it. I cannot, they look so cute, they look like babies. I cannot wait to react to more of their songs. My goodness, let me know, Stays, which is the next one, which is the next song that I should react to. Let me know. Oh god, I loved it. Oh man, I just, you know what, I've literally stopped listening to Hindi songs now. I have, like, I barely listen to them, barely. It's mostly K-pop. It's mostly K-pop now because the songs are so cool. And when I know the meaning, because when I react to it, I know the meaning of the song. So I just get into the mood when I listen to it. So yes, guys, that was my reaction to Elevator by Stray Kids. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Once again, really sorry about the lighting, guys. And I hope you will subscribe if you're a K-pop lover. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye!